Today we're reviewing stock number 137368 on a 2014 GMC 1500 Crew, and our exterior color is gray. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, forward collision detection, and heated steering wheel. OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, sunroof controls, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate control with AC, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, lane departure warning, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black and gray. Moving on to our exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, mud flap, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, tonneau cover, box rails, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 137368 on a 2014 GMC 1500 Crew, and our exterior color is gray.